For those who are interested in buying a humidifier that can be easily cleaned, I just want to show you how great this is. You can remove this part and you have access to clean it inside with a brush or vinegar, because usually humidifiers, at least for me, my previous humidifiers create mold, which it was hard to clean. It comes with this brush so you can clean inside, and then this is great. Look at this. You can remove this part, which can be easily cleaned with a brush. You can spray it and brush it. Sometimes it gets some sort of pink mold, so I thought it was great that I can have access to all the parts that I can just easily clean with a brush. And then this area, of course, it will be very easy to clean with this brush or any other toothbrush that you will designate to clean this. It is very quiet when it's turned on, and usually the tank would last me all night. But yeah, it seems that I will have to be I will have to be refilling the tank every day. But so far so good. I have used it for a week, and I love that it has a remote control and all these functions. But what I like the most about is the fact that I can clean every single part of this humidifier.